Thanks for joining me out here at Reiman Gardens for this Reiman Quick Bites. I'm going to take you on a tour of these brand new paths. This project was supposed to take pretty much the entire summer to complete, but since we were closed, we were able to get it all done at one time. Now I'm going to be rollerblading around with the camera so you can see it all. Normally we don't allow rollerblades out here, but really going to be just me on the paths today. So hopefully you enjoy this video of the new paths at Reiman that'll be waiting for you the next time you come out to visit the gardens.